Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I hope you all are doing good and fantastic. It's morning time and as you can see behind me the patty is ready and harvesting is going on. This is so beautiful and in this time I'm take of vitamin D because morning time you can front of sun and you can give take energy lots of this is benefit for skin and health. Okay, in this video I will share how I learn English, how I practice, and how long I have been practicing and what problems I faced when I was beginner. I will also tell you about my English journey. So let's start. At first, I was very scared. I used to think English is very difficult. I used to think in English is very difficult. I thought how I will be, how I will, I speak English. I don't know. I don't have any English speaking environment. But then I thought when people like me can speak good English, why I can't? I decide that one day I will also speak English. So I start practicing. Every day I practice speaking for 20 to 50 minutes every day. In the beginning, I focused more on shadow practice, copying the same voice, tone, and rhythm. In this 3 months, I never stopped practicing. I watched English video, podcast, and with subtitle. I watch English movie with subtitle. If I didn't understand any words, I notice down, I note down and search it, meaning of and make sentence. I also start to taking to myself in English about the thing to myself in English about the thing around me and explain in English. This thing is speaking and this thing is help me a lot. The most important thing is speaking. If you don't speak, you will never learn to speak English. Because no matter how much grammar or vocabulary you learn, if you don't practice speaking, you will never able to speak English fluently. Just like writing comes from writing, speak comes from speaking. Okay, so practice speaking as much as you can. That's how you will also become fluent in English. So this was my English journey. In only 3 months I start speaking better English. No perfect, but no, I didn't feel sad to talk in English with anyone. So, start your practice today and tell me in the comment section when you have been practicing English. Thanks for watching my video and see you in the next video. I hope you can learn English in very well and you can understand English and you can speak English easily. Okay, I just see you in the English speaker.